A stressed mom's office mistake.
Oh no! I sent the email to the wrong person. Who did I send it to? Oh dear, my boss! No! Hi everyone, my name is Mary. I am an office worker and a busy mom. I love my job and my family very much, but sometimes my life is very tiring. I want to be a good mother and worker. This is not always easy for me. Today, I will tell you a bittersweet story about an email of mine. It was a quiet Sunday afternoon. My baby was crying loudly in the room. I was writing an email to my friend Sarah to complain about my job. The workload was too much for me. I had no time for my child. As I was drinking my coffee, Tommy suddenly ran to my laptop. His little hand pressed the send button. Oh no! And it was a send via email button. The email went to everyone in my company. My heart was beating very fast. My coworkers would read all of my complaints. Oh, my boss would read them too. This is a disaster, I cried. What should I do? First, I had to stop everything. I sat down and took a very deep breath. Do not do anything when you're scared. You can solve this. As soon as I calmed down, I searched on Google for a way to fix this. Oh? Someone said I could look for the undo or recall button. It could get my email back, but only if I set it up before. I realized I did not set this function up. Then I tried to contact the IT department. I called them many times on my phone. However, it was Sunday, so nobody answered. Oh dear, I felt very worried and hopeless. After some minutes of panicking, I sat down to calm my mind. You know what? This was my mistake, not others. I must act like a professional person. Straight away, I wrote a sincere apology email. I am truly sorry for the wrong email. I am under a lot of pressure lately. Afterwards, I sent it to the whole team. This action is very important in a professional workplace. It helps to reduce the confusion of your colleagues straight away, and it protects your professional reputation at the company. People saw your mistake, but then they could value your honesty. After sending the apology email, I still felt very nervous. An email is professional, but it is not enough for this mistake. Especially to my boss, he must be very angry and confused. Later, the house became very quiet, but my mind was in a storm. The silence made me feel even more stressed and scared. In the end, I realized that honesty is always the best policy. Then, I decided to be very brave. I picked up my phone and dialed my boss's number. My heart was beating very fast. Hello, sir. I am calling to say I am very sorry. I sent a personal email to everyone by mistake today. Please do not think that I hate my job or the team. I love my work, but being a busy mom is hard sometimes. Surprisingly, my boss started to laugh. Haha, don't worry about it, Mary. I just changed my baby's diaper too. I understand your stress as a parent. Aw, this made me feel so much better. At the end of the call, my boss said he would help me with my tasks. He wanted me to have more family time. Oh my mistake turned into a great opportunity for me. Today, I learned 3 important lessons from my mistake. Always check the receiver's address before you click send. Stay professional and apologize straight away if you are wrong. And it is always good to share your problems with others. People understand how hard it is to be a busy mom, so don't be afraid to ask for help, just not through a wrong email.
Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What was Mary doing when her son pressed the send button? Answer. Mary was drinking coffee and writing an email to her friend Sarah. Question 2. Who did Mary accidentally send the email to? Answer. She accidentally sent the email to everyone in her company. Question 3. How did Mary try to fix her mistake after Googling and calling the IT? Answer. She wrote a sincere apology email to the whole team. Question 4. What did Mary's boss do when he heard about her mistake? Answer. He laughed and said he understood her stress as a parent. Question 5. What did Mary's boss offer to help her with after the mistake? Answer. He offered to help her with her tasks and wanted her to have more family time. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.